For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
The clinical trials of phytopharmaceutical ACQH to combat COVID-19 has begun. Shekhar Mandi, the Director General of the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, termed it a historic day for the country.
Yesterday what has happened that Sun Pharmaceutical has started clinical trials of this phytopharmaceutical called ACQH. I think it's a historic day in modern medicine, especially in India. Now we have the chance to tap our traditional knowledge system and limitless possibilities of what our traditions have told us against certain diseases. So the ACQH trial has started yesterday and we are going to try it against COVID-19 and we do hope that it is successful.
Dr. Mande said the US Food and Drug Administration recognized a class of medicines in 2005 and termed them as botanical, while India adopted them as phytopharmaceuticals in 2015.
Phytopharmaceutical is derived from plant, but something which has a pharmaceutical activity. Although Indian DCGI recognized phytopharmaceutical as a category of drugs, since 2015, there has been no randomized controlled trial undertaken for any of the diseases from any of the plant extracts.
However, phytopharmaceuticals are different from Ayurvedic medicine.
Well, it will not be right to call it an Ayurvedic medicine. There is a subtle difference between Ayurvedic medicines and phytopharmaceutical, although there is a lot of commonalities. So the knowledge that we are deriving, of course, is from traditional knowledge system, such as those from tribals and whatever. But in a strictest sense, it cannot be called as an Ayurvedic medicine.
The CSIR Director General said the decision to conduct clinical trials was taken based on other trials for dengue.
Yeah, so I wouldn't call efficacy is proven against dengue. Sun Pharmaceuticals had undertaken earlier trials against dengue and they got encouraging results of that. So the phase 1 clinical trials went very well, and based on the encouraging result that they got in the phase 1 clinical trials, we decided that we should also try it against COVID-19. And therefore these clinical trials have begun now since yesterday against COVID-19. See, typically any clinical trial takes a long time. We are expecting this to get over in about 3 months or something. So this is a multi-centric clinical trial. So not only Delhi, but many other places will be deriving patients from, subjects from.
The tribal belts from Gujarat, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand have been using ACQH to treat different disorders, so the knowledge of these traditional medicines already existed among tribals.
In the modern medicine, for a disease, there is a cause, and to suppress that cause, there is one purified molecule that suppresses that cause. And therefore, this purified molecule, one single molecule, what we also call as a drug or a pharmaceutical, that suppresses the cause of the disease and therefore you get rid of the disease. That's modern medicine. In the traditional knowledge, you don't need to purify a compound. You can take extracts from plant.
CSIR is also conducting clinical trials for Favipiravir, Remdesivir and several Ayush medicines to find a treatment for COVID-19.